video, I will be showing you how to convert a normal painting cycle into electric cycle. So let's get started. So to convert into an electric cycle, so here I have bought a e-bike conversion kit, which includes the motor, the controller and all the wiring with the light, horn, the throttle, the key switch and the brake lights and the brake. So the kit doesn't include the batteries. So for the batteries, we need, this is a 24 volt system. So here I used two 12 volt batteries. These are Amaron Quanta batteries. I have purchased these from a local shop. So I have used two batteries here. So each battery is 12 volts, and so I just connected the positive of one battery and the negative of one more battery. So it basically makes a 24 volt battery, and here as you can see the two connections which connect the two batteries, and here are these two connections are going to the controller. So for the batteries mounting system, I have installed a rear rack onto this near the frame and over the motor here. So this is basically a nut bolt system, and underneath this box here there is a washer nut, and also in the inside there is a nut here. So I have insulated this by a cardboard. So on the sides here I have placed one sheet of cardboard just for metal protection, and also shock-proof protection. And for the controller also I have made a small bracket here, metal bracket, so it's kind of waterproof over here. You can see the controller. This is a black cage and the silver part is the main controller. So there are all the connections. So this is the motor here. So the entire kit which I have bought cost around 6,000 rupees. So here this is the motor, the 24 volt motor, 24 volt system. So this uses another freewheel. So one sprocket or freewheel is for the main pedaling system, and the other is for the electric motor. So here we have to change the axle because the stock axle is bit short, so it can't fit two freewheels. So in the kit there is a longer axle. We have to install the longer axle, and then we can mount the second freewheel. So between the two freewheels there is a spacer. So after we install the spacer, the two freewheels won't join together and they won't be stuck. So the chain, the freewheel, the sprocket, all the other pieces are included in the kit. We just have to fit them in. And coming to the controller system. So here there is a throttle here, which is the main electric race. Means that this is the accelerator, just like a bike. So the wire runs along the frame into the controller. So the controller is like the main brains of this entire operation. It's basically all the pieces like the brake, horn, light, switch, battery, motor. They are coming together and they all join in the controller. Even the charging here, I have mounted the charging port, which is included in the kit, to the controller. So for the charger you have to purchase another 24 volt charger, as I have here. So I will link this down in the description box. So this just goes in the AC socket, and here the 3-pin socket connects to the controller, the charging port. So now the light will be green because the battery is connected. It is turning on the light. So now I'm just going to plug it into the wall socket, and you can start charging. So now as the light is red, that indicates the cycle is currently charging. When the light turns green, that means it's done charging. It generally takes around 5 to 6 hours to charge. So that's it for the charging system. So this entire kit and almost including the batteries cost around 7 to 8,000 rupees, excluding the cost of the cycle. And so here is the horn. So I've attached the separate speedometer. The speedometer system and the electric cycle system is completely different. This I have bought separately. So here basically this is the main speedometer. It shows the time, the odometer, and there's a lot of functions. You can set trip time, all of that features. It's basically like a bolt-on system. It's basically using, so here is the odometer here. So this shows in kilometers. So this basically is using a wire. So the wire connects to the, so this is the rim. So there's basically a magnet near the rim, that black spot. When the black magnet and this bar here, it has a magnet over here. So when they both connect or like touch each other, the magnetism, that time the speed changes here. So currently it's 0 kilometers per hour. So while you're going, it changes to the max speed is 20 kilometers an hour, 20 kilometers per hour. So that is the separate system I have installed. And also for the key, I have made a small bracket. So everything is a nut bolt system. Nothing is welded on. So I have installed 2 nuts and this on and off. So I have installed another storage box just for separate storage here. So here is a horn, and this is the brake. So the stock brake, the BSA, this is the BSA cycle. So I have removed the old brake handles. So in the kit, these are the electronic handles. It basically has a wire from both ends. So it's just basically that if you have the brake engaged, the cycle, the motor will not be activated. Only when the brake is disengaged, the throttle will work. So now I'm just going to show you the demo. So that is the demo of the cycle. So here, if the cycle needs to be on, the key has to be on, the key has to be there. That's the main on-off switch. There's nothing like a switch over there. So the batteries which I use is lead acid batteries. It's not a lithium ion battery. So that is the process of converting your normal pedaling cycle into electric cycle. So the reason why I have built this electric cycle. So the purpose of this cycle is, this is for long going distances, also for school going purposes. So imagine the distance is like 5 to 10 kilometers. You can't pedal all the way from 5 to 10 kilometers. So here you can use the electric function plus the normal pedaling function as well. So this saves leg pain, and it's also when the motor is activated, the pedaling will be so much looser. It will be easy to pedal, just like a gear cycle. So that is the reason I have built this electric cycle. So thank you. Let's do e-biking now.